Hey, so I thought I'd create a demo of what I thought was really useful today, and it has everything to do with file pathing in Python. So in this example, we're going to have a tool 1, and inside of our tool, we're going to have our main.py, but we're also going to have another tool, and it's going to be something we're going to import into our tool. And so we're going to have maybe tool2. And tool 2 is going to have it's going to have a something. It's going to have something. We're going to call it something.py. And it's also going to have an init.py. And we can do two things. So by leaving this blank, we say that this is now, this is no longer just an import package, but rather we've increased the accessibility of this to our remaining Python code. Not too sure on it entirely, but I do hope that this will explain a few things. So if I create a class here, and we define it as something, and then we say def hi, and we're just going to do a basic print hi. And so now we've got our something, and our hi will require a self, and we've got our class set up. What I can do here is I can go from dot something import, and then I'm going to select the name of the class that I've defined. Now, of course, I could have as many functions as I like here. I could also have maybe def no, which is going to take in an object of self, and it's going to just print out no. And it's quite a nice thing to sort of wrap your methods in. Because I'm importing this, I can go here and I only need to use the name of the file now to import this into my main. So I can just go import tool2. And isn't that just so magical? Because now I can create my class. So I can go tool2 dot something dot hi, and I can just call it. Now, I don't think it'll let me do this because I need to initialize my class. I'd need to be able to define this as a static method in Python, which I'm not sure how to do yet, but one day. Anyway, so we can just call this as test. We've initialized it, and then we can go test dot hi and test dot no. And I just think this is so magical to be able to create your own independent modules and then import them like their other libraries. So now if we were to run this, I need to go to tool1, don't I? Yeah, I'm in the wrong directory. So we need to go tool1, and then we can go run this, and you'll see that we've printed out our hi and our no. The alternative to doing something like this is we can also import them by going from, and then we need to specify where we're getting them from. So we could even potentially go back, but Python doesn't particularly like that from memory, so we won't. We're going to go from tool to dot, and then we need to specify file something. We could also then import hi. Oh, does it allow me to? Or is it just I can only import something? Yeah, I can only import something. And then I could also initialize it this way, and so we could create test2 is equal to our something, and then I could do test2 hi and test2 no. And if we were to then run this again using the same command, you'll see that we get a whole bunch of highs and nos. So I hope this has helped you understand Python pathing a little bit better.